Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here, and today I would like to show you one of my Traders Wealth Nifty Gamma Blast analytics. That along with the Gann dashboard, I have created this also. So we can find out the five Gamma Blast candidates here. So before I explain you, I request you all to join my YouTube channel and be there. And if you like the videos, please click like buttons and share buttons. Also click bell buttons for my new videos uploaded. So please watch the video till the end and let us discuss. If you want any more information, you can contact me at my number 949-234-0656. I'm sorry. Okay, now let's go. And this is called a GAN sheet with gamma and information and GAN information. So this comes in Google Sheet, and this is installed in your Google Drive. Once it is installed, it is forever for your lifetime. This is only for study purpose, and I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. These are all not buy or sell recommendations. This is only for study purpose, and you have to apply your own analysis, and then you can use it for your intraday trading very liberally and very successfully. So now let me show you the sheet. This is called Gamma dashboard and sorry Gann dashboard, and this is Gamma analytics. This is very useful on expiry day and every expiry day of Nifty. For example, today we had Gamma study, and this Gamma study has shown us since morning or even since yesterday. It has shown us the that saying that it was very narrow and there was no gamma blast happened this today, because it has been telling that this is the result that we got. So gamma blast detected, but 24,000 gamma trap. It was a gamma trap rather than gamma blast. So usually when gamma blast happens, before that we see one-sided, like maybe more than 55-60% upward, either on C side or P side. But the percent is very narrow. If you look at the percentage, it is like 51 to 49. So this has made our today's trades very difficult and very tough, because there was no blast today. So, but ready strike prices were given, the gamma strike prices where the institutional traders were interested. So these the list of the strike prices are also top five gamma blast candidates are also given over here. You can see this. This is 24,000. I can increase the size of this. Okay, you can see 24,000, 24,100, 24,200, 24,500. So that is the reason the market did not allow anyone to take money from the gamma blast. Maybe tomorrow it would give us a good blast. So it is that is like this. 24,000 was the strike price recommended. The score was 100. Those the score was 100. The probability was 5149. So that is the reason today market did not give a either call option blast or put option blast. Rather, it suggested you to that's the reason it has suggested you as to find a straddle of at 24,000 strike price. So this is the narration. So this is the correct professional trade, because we don't know if it will blast up or down. You buy a 24,000 call option or 24,000 put option and make it a straddle. And we have an alert system also. Let me show you the alert system. Okay, this is gamma blast alert system where we get alerts like this, and you can also see that which strike price is good to buy and whether it is a trap or it is a blast. So this is how it lets you know whether it is bullish or bearish. It also let us know whether to buy a call option or put option, but today it was very narrow. So there was no really to say there was no blast happened. Now we have the strike prices given over here, and these are the support levels and resistance levels, and we have strike prices, blast type, whether it is a gamma blast or so. I just highlight you for your convenience, so that you will understand gamma trap, gamma trap, gamma trap. Most of the strike prices are gamma trap, rather than they are bullish or bearish. So they are not one sided. So it is the trade signal was only straddle, but no recommendation was there. So this is how it it helps you to find out the best strike price, and it also lets you know the market strength, whether it is market's health, whether it is bias is hell bearish or bullish. and what kind of bearishness is there, how much percentage, and also it also has an automatically then one strike price is taken from the, and it calculates and gives you the recommendation prepare. So you have to prepare for this, and you can prepare as per the this sheet will help you to find out a good strike price on even non-expiry days like tomorrow. It's a non-expiry day. You can use these strike prices where institutional interest is more. So where volatility is there, one side blast is there, one side bullish is there. Then so, for example, 24,000 for call dominant is there. Where is the call dominant? Bullish C 24,500 call option. You can look at, keep an eye and prepare for yourself. So this is all about the this gamma blast, and it also lets you know the what is the gamma percentage, the CE gamma, put P gamma, and what is the straddle that you can treat, what is the percentage of gamma blast, what is the recommended strike price, and everything is given over here. So the narration is here. You can read the narration. I just increase the size. Gamma trap at 24,000. Call option and put option gamma balanced with high OI. Market makers are squeezed. So that's the reason there was no gamma blast. We expected a gamma blast in 24,000, but it did not happen today. Now let's see about other sheets. So this is about this, and then we have another same in the same Nifty and Bank Nifty, and for Sensex this is also given over here. So there is one more sheet that is related to gamma analytics, and you can see which strike price is good to buy on for Nifty, Sensex, and this is for Bank Nifty. And we have this sheet. Sheet is useful for any trader for intraday. Those who trade in intraday, BTST, or any swing trade, this is the one of the best strike tool that you can use it for everyday intraday tools. So this filters the this part lets you know the whether Nifty is bullish or bearish, Fibonacci levels, and momentum bias, and overall OI change bias, open interest bias, and this is gamma bias and gamma study. And then sorry, gamma not Gann study. So Nifty Gann study is Gann bullish and Gann bearish. This is a live market. This is in the morning 9:15 itself. You get gamma Nifty. I mean Gann bullish above, Gann bearish above, bearish below. And overall market rotation is given here. So sector rotation is also given here. Which sector is healthy? So coming to the stocks, you have no, this part is totally completely for Nifty, and the lower part is a calculator which gives you the ease of using it. For example, if you want to trade in stocks, then you have to first select the strike, I mean expiry. Say when you want to trade in stocks, you have to select the last Thursday's, I mean Tuesday expiry, and then say for example today we selected 28th, the last Tuesday, and we selected some other stock like Biocon. For example, if I want to trade in Biocon, because why you may ask me why Biocon? Because Biocon is recommended over here. So you can see Biocon 440 call option. So as soon as you select the stock, it retraces all the data, and it pulls out the data, and it lets you know whether it is positive bias or negative bias. It also recommends you to focus on call option or put option, which depending on the bias. And then also there is an analysis by icon to buy at 435 call option, observe above 441. That means when Biocon cash, I mean equity in equity crosses for 441, then you can buy it 435 call option. If at all, if you have to buy that, there is a recommendation automatically, levels are given here. Breakout levels, targets are also given here. You can use it for it, but if at all, if you feel that the premium is very high, or then in that case you can select your own strike price. For example, if it is 440 for 435, you can select 450. If you want to trade in 450, it lets you know where to buy and where these breakout, and all these things are given here, where all the details are given here. You can see I'm just enlarging this for your convenience. You can see all the details like target, stop loss, everything will LTP, everything is given. So 6 to 7 bullish stocks, strong bullish stocks are given here. Bearish stocks are given here, strike with the strike price. And you come to just scroll down, and on the right side when you scroll it down, and you see the stocks with long build up, short cover, short build up, short covering, long unwinding. These stocks are so good. And there is another institutional pro level setup for intraday stocks. These are the best stocks pulled out and filtered here with a reasoning like what is the bias, whether it is bullish, there is momentum. This way you can check the stocks. If at all, if you want to check the biocon as I selected here, you can also select the stocks there, and you can also go with one click. You can go to Trading View, and you can find out the charts like this. And if at all, if you want to trade in biocon, for example, if you want to check the biocon already checked Concor. So because Concor was there in the morning, so let us check what happened in Concor. Once you select it, it pulls the data and gets the analysis, gives you the analysis in front of you. You get everything. So auto levels, auto whether to buy, focus on call option or focus on put option. If at all, if you are not interested in 495, you can go for 500, 500 strike price. If you want to buy that, also you can buy. You can select. So right side when you see these are the bearish stocks you can see. So these are the bearish stocks: Force Motors, Fin Nifty, Bajaj Holdings, Maruti. These are all the bearish stocks. So, for example, if you want to check Maruti also, you can just immediately go here and check Maruti and select Maruti. And once you select a Maruti, it analyze and it let you know analysis and tells you whether it is the market is Maruti is bearish or bullish. If you want to check on the chart also, you can click on here and find out the that see you can see these are my indicators called auto Gann and auto Fibonacci. This gives you automatically whether to buy, where to buy, and if at all if you want to sell, where to sell, what is the stop loss, entry, targets, everything is given automatically. And there are tables given here whether that instrument that is, say for example in this case Marti, whether it is strong bearish buy. It also recommends you execute grade section action is by PE. Entry targets are also all given. This part is related to Fibonacci. This is also auto Fibonacci. It's first 5 minutes candle, and these two indicators are marvelously working. People are really interested in this and they love very much. And now then we have, if you need all these information, more information about this, you can contact me at my number 949-234-0656 is my number. So I also show you one more thing. So we have sectors. So I have given two sectors, two bullish and two bearish sectors. One is bullish sectors over here. When you click on this bullish sectors, you can see the healthcare sectors and sector pharma sector is here. And we have sectors, loser sectors are HCL Tech, IT, and defense. You can see here over here, the defense is also losers here. So you can find this. And coming to the right side, when you see top stock for no BTST is in the given year at you can come over here and check at 3 to 3:20 p.m. and find out the stocks that are bullish for for BTST. And these are also stocks that you can focus on for BTST. And after that, you have beautiful information that's related to anything. That means for sectors, if you want to check Sensex, if you want to trade in Nifty, if you want to trade in Bank Nifty, if you want to trade in stocks, whatever you want to check, you can check. For example, if you want to check in the equities, so equity stocks are given here. You can come over here and check which are the best stocks are here, and you can see the Cipla went up well. And then we have Just Diet. So you can make use of the margin given by the brokers. You can take the advantage and you can trade in this also. So these are all cash stocks filtered here. So you can see Bajaj consumers, this has fallen so well. So you get stocks over here, and we have our best indicator in the market. So you can use both of them and trade them. So this is the one I have created for you all. So please use this. And then we have institutional level stocks filtered over here. And we have again a swing trade dashboard is given. Today we have got Adani Enterprise strong buy. Adani Ports is okay. Grasem is okay, but not recommended. Whether to buy or not, it is avoid. Strong Adani Enterprise is to buy. So this is how we have the perfect entries and everything. So if you want to trade in Nifty, you can select Nifty. If you want to stake in start in this. And now coming to again going back to this is the best thing that you can get in the market. So you may not get in the market. This is the best thing. So it also lets you know. For example, this is like this. This sends you alerts. And also if I just want to check manually anytime, if I want to check manually, I can just check it, and there comes a pop-up, and here it comes like this and lets me know whether it is gamma is trap volatile, whether gamma is really true, whether you have to go buy or no. It will give you everything in one shot with one idea. So this is how it comes, and you can use this for your own, and you can analyze it. I have prepared this for Sensex also. So if those who want Sensex, Nifty, and this all these information in one place, they can contact me at my number 949-234-0656. I'm repeating, I'm giving you my number here. So this is my number 9. Let me increase the size and enter my number 949-234-0656 is my number. You can contact me at my number and on WhatsApp or directly call me. Thank you. And this is coming to this is a Sensex and Nifty Sensex and Nifty dashboard. I can say whenever Nifty is bullish or bearish, it lets you know today's best strike price. Everything is given over here, and also whether it is final view PE or BE. You can also select one strike price over here. If you want to buy 24,100, it immediately selects and gives you the current price along with the current price and entry targets and everything for both strike prices like call option and put option. So on the right side, you can see the Nifty, I mean Sensex. Sensex is given here. That means you have Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks, Sensex, and Gamma Blast for Nifty, Gamma Blast for Sensex. Everything is given here. So please contact me and keep a tool like this with you all. Believe me, this is just for you, and this is given for lifetime. It's a one-time offer. You can all contact me. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching this video till the end. Please share with your friends and like the video, and be with me. And you trade successfully. Respect your stop loss, and we all together be in profit. Thank you.